Jamaican Sure Fishing, welcome to the channel, guys. I'm still under the weather a bit, not feeling well still. Not 100%, but I said let me get out and see if I can get a little salt water air in my face, and try to change the scenario a bit, feel a little bit better, get a little bit of sunlight on my skin and stuff like that. I've been in the house for like 5-6 days, so wanted to get out this morning. Still a bit rough on the breathing and stuff like that, guys. But big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to all you guys. I never got a chance to make a video because, like I said, I was feeling totally horrible, guys, and I was not feeling great for the camera. All right, so let me get this turned around a bit more. So we're on our way to a fishing spot, and the weather is kind of bad. Rough weather, rough seas, windy. So we're aiming today, hoping that we can pick up some jacks, permit jacks, possibly regular jacks, blue runner jacks, and other species. Hopefully they're here. The water is rough, the sea's been rough since the hurricane and stuff like that, so action has been light on my side. So let's give it a shot and see what we can pick up. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, and stay tuned for more epic hookups, because we are going to be getting out there. Like I said, I'm just under the weather a bit. I have a nasty flu, trying to get over it, and it is what it is. Love you guys. Bless up yourself. Oops. Let me get this up a bit. There. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Here we go, guys. We got things set up. Everything ready up. And we're going to get these lines baited up in a second. So stay tuned. Let me get them baited up, and we'll get them in the water. Guys, we got the lines all baited up. About to get them in the water. I got to get the alarms out and stuff. Out. Yeah, we're using a Carolina rig on this one. Damn, almost got myself. Carolina rig. Over under rig on the first one, guys. Yeah, guys, lines all set. So we got 2 over under rigs, 1 Carolina rig in the middle. So I switch up the rigs a bit, so greaten our chances of grabbing something, whether it's a snapper, jack, permit jack. But the permit jack love this weather, rough weather. So that's why I chose to come to this spot. I'm supposed to meet up with a few friends, subscribers who's coming out to fish with us today. So let's see how that goes, and send them the location and pin already. And we just here, guys. See what we can pick up today on this windy day. I don't know why, but I got my 1 today because the noise canceling with this wind is a whole lot better outside versus the 3, 4, and 5. I don't know why. The noise canceling on this model seems to be way better. Getting a hit on a yellow rod. Yellow rod just got a hit. Waiting. Yep, getting a hit on this one too. Keep on getting hit. I just think bait's still on them. I threaded them using bait thread. So I know that it's gonna take a while for them to get that bait off, so I'm not really stressing it. What I want to do is get some bait ready on the meantime. You get something? Oh shit. Got something already on the hand line. Oh shit. Cuz got a schoolmaster snapper already. That is it, cuz. Yes, Cuz give me 1 deal already. And that it, guys. Yeah. So there, guys. Waiting up for cuz get more hit ups and cuz carry water shoes to rat it clad. You know, ramp with it, cuz. Cuz got a schoolmaster snapper. Let me grab him. Grab him, guys. Nice fatty too. Yeah, schoolmaster snapper by Cuz today. Cuz first fish, so we're not gonna throw this one back. That's what's up, guys. Bless up Cuz today on the first one. Cuz just got a schoolmaster snapper a while ago, so it's his first fish, so we're not gonna throw this one back, guys. He was just over there. I just heard him ball out a while ago, so I was like, damn. What's going on over there? He's like, oh, I got one. So I'm like, all right, cool. First fish. You got something. So at least we know the water's positive. So stay tuned. I'm going to check these baits now. Yeah, guys, I just baited it all up. I didn't use a thread this time. It would have taken too much time by the time I reset all three of them. So that's how you work your 3 rods, is just consistently. So you check the first one you cast, second, third, and each one that you're checking and bringing in, you're baiting up. Sometimes I bring all 3 of them at the same time, then bait out and just send back out, so I don't get caught off guard while bringing one in. I'm getting hit on one of them now. Not a serious hit yet, but with the size hook, I'm using a 1/0 hook. So the size fish I'm aiming for is anything 1 pound, 2 pounders, those kind of sizes. So the whole idea is just keep on baiting up the same spot that you're casting in. The fish will come to that spot, and then eventually you'll get something decent. So let's see what happens. But what I'm really aiming for is hoping that I can hook up on a permit jack today, guys. And that is the key aim. Shore fishing fans, here, guys. So we got my friend Katie in here. She got some gears and she got some fishing gears. So we was out fishing, drop line fishing, as you've seen in the past clips before. But what happened is Katie bought some gears, and I'm actually putting them together. I actually put one of the rods together, which is a light setup just like mine, and they're lure fishing setups. They're not drop line setups. Katie's gonna have to get a little bit more in depth when it comes to the drop line fishing, because that's a lot of equipment, a lot of gears. She already has most of it, but she'd have to get some weights, and she'd have to get some 30-pound lines and stuff like that for this type of fishing. But no worries, we're gonna set them up anyways, guys. So
stay tuned. You with Jamaican Shore Fishing, and just know that we keep it exciting all the time. So putting these rods, spooling the reels, and putting on the leader line and the whole setup, all right, from scratch. So we got the rod. As you guys know, we deal with the Shakespeare rods because I've just one of my favorite rods because they're just strong and they're inexpensive and affordable. You know what I mean? So that's what's up. Not saying I don't want one of the $300 rods now. Because I was just looking at some $300 rods this morning, right? Cause it was like, damn, they're expensive, Jerry. And I'm like, well, cause that's what when you want greatness, that's what you got to get, greatness. Why do they put these in these packages like this? This is crazy. Hold on, I think it's the cardboard. Hold on. Let me get the cardboard out. It's that tag. Hold on. All right, let me get this tag off. Because I think this is our pain. If you notice how gentle I am with the rod, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, the reason for that is because
you don't want to break anything.
You don't want to break it. And
okay.
These guide eyes are very important for your fishing rods.
Okay.
You understand? After you finish fishing, you rinse these off with fresh water.
Okay.
And rinse the reel off with fresh water. All right. So, putting this one together. All right. And the reel. So, if any of you guys not used to fishing reels yet, well, basically, here you go. This is how you put it together. Fresh new rod and reel and everything from scratch. Yeah, same thing. I practice what I preach, all right? I practice what I preach in fishing, guys. The gospel of fishing. Alright, so we got the reel on, as you guys see, in there.
Yeah.
Reel. This is a reel saddle, and we just lock it in there with the screw. And then we're gonna, the handle, the spooling handle, gotta tighten that up because you know they don't come tight in order to collapse it. So, alright, we got that on, and we gotta put some backing on now. Backing is normally done with a monofilament line. I'm gonna get some of that on real quick and fast. I'm gonna do it from here so I don't use so much. Quick and fast.
You want to tell them how that is done?
Yeah, so what I did was use a uni knot. Sorry, hold that for me. I used a uni knot and to get my backing in. But what you don't want to do is leave that tag end open because it's going to give you a problem on your spooling. So clip it off as close as I can. Lock the small uni knot on. And then now I'll just use my hand, tighten the bail up, and use my hand to put a little bit of tension on there and get some of this monofilament on there to create a rubber backing. Because what you don't want is that nylon line to go on there slipping on a metal. Alright, so I'm going to drop a carrot knot on this next and see if I can get this thing locked up. Alright, so you're going to unspool it and just bring it to me. Just leave it in there and just unspool it, yeah. Hold this to me. I'm going to have to string this through here. So we're stringing 15-pound nylon, guys. Let me see. Get it in the hole. There. Yep. Yo, I think after you reach a certain age, you have problems stringing needles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get slower.
No, you don't get slower. You just can't see it accurately. Not saying that I got a problem.
Different.
Not saying I got a problem now. These are very small needle eye holes. So
You see a different waddling shoe.
God have mercy. That's why I got so many kids. It's alright. Alright guys, we just connected. Now we're spooling back on. Don't worry about those. It's alright. Those are rig bags. I kind of separate my rigs in different bags, but we're spooling this line on now. I connected it with an FG nut, and you guys can look that up because I forgot to put the camera back on. Don't worry about it. We got this. That should be it. Here, that's it. That's about it.
it?
Yeah. Hold this for a second. Well, stay tuned, guys.
Yes, baby.
Let me see. You know how much left on this? You can't wind off the rest
Can
of
we
it.
not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing. Yeah. Just leave it. We're just gonna wind it off. It makes sense. No, come on, leave it. It's right. It's fine. It's fine. It's not going nowhere, but that's good. Right here. Perfect. We got enough line on here.
How do you know how much line is already on?
Huh?
How do you know how much line is already on?
When I
Like
fill the
just
spool.
adjusted? Oh, okay.
My spool has less line on yours because I lost a lot of line.
Okay. Oh,
But
right.
I still have 327 yards of line on there
Mm-hmm.
because I use less, a smaller line. But the reel is filled. You can see it visually.
These things are 327.
Oh, okay.
327.
Okay.
327 yards.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot of line.
Yeah.
If a
Take
fish
the
runs
wheels.
off 327 yards or 150 yards of line, he don't deserve to come in. He needs to stay up there.
Yeah. But you would go for him.
I'd fight
You
it.
would go for him.
I'd literally fight it. I would not give up on that fish. That's a dead fish. I fought big fish here.
You would go for him.
I've lost some 10 pounders, 20 pounders here already. I've lost some big fish. Fish pulled me off this wall already.
Really? Oh my.
Yeah, I know this is no easy boy. He would go for them.
Oh.
Jump off.
I jumped off a cliff for one the other day.
Oh yeah.
I caught the fish and he fell off the line on this cliff edge.
Oh, okay.
I had to go down and get him.
Okay. But
The
it was
line
already
was still
there.
intact? It was still on the line?
Yeah. I wasn't trying to let him get away. Alright. So we're doing a leader line now, guys.
1 foot.
Leader line setup. Yeah.
Inshore.
Yes.
So that they can get them.
No, there's links. There's links already in my bio. So if you guys go in my bio on any one of my videos, there's links to all the gears that I use. So check all my gears out, guys. Definitely check them out. So this is your lure fishing setup, and I just put two of them together in less than 10 minutes. Check it out. Bang bang. Two lure fishing setups. The girl and the guy. Get that? So this is your setups. Now when you're ready to travel with it,
Just put it.
drop your seats down and don't break it down, because if you're going to be fishing all the time or you're heading fishing, it makes
You
no
don't
have
need
your
to break
stuff
it down.
ready.
Yeah.
You don't want to go on a fishing
That's
site
true.
putting stuff together.
No, they're
Crazy.
waste of time.
That's why I don't like drop line fishing. See, I haven't picked up any fish all morning. If I was lure fishing, I would have picked up fish already. It's your fault, subscribers. So this is these now. With these now, this is a whole other different ball game, right? So because when we go fishing, what's going to happen is that we're going to have to do rigs, just like you see me set up with the bait, the weights and stuff over there.
Yeah.
This is a whole other different ball game. But what you can do, yeah. All your stuff. That's right. So you guys already have these. So now you need tackle boxes.
Boxes, yes. And
So you
then
need
the
tackle
different stuff.
tackle bag.
Yeah.
This is my tackle bag.
Yeah.
This is what I forgot this morning.
Everything
This
is
is the
there.
holy grail to my fishing. If I leave this, I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
Yes, this is my famous pliers. This is my.
You pull out the barrels
Alright,
and
I'm
all
gonna
that.
no.
Take them off.
This is for my lure pliers to take these lock rings and change them off and change the lures off. So it
Okay.
has a ring in it, a teeth that goes between the springs to open it to go around. And then you can get these lock rings and change these lock rings off.
Or they sell the complete set like this.
Yes.
Okay.
They don't sell a complete set with all this in it. This is all separate. So now, in here now, you'd have my lip grip tool that grabs my fish lip. Grab their lip and hold
Pull
on
them
to them.
off.
This also has a scale in it.
Or to weigh
Oh,
them.
wait, it-
Yeah, to weigh your catch. Then this is my mitten to grab the slimy fish.
Right,
Or if I feel like grabbing the fish and doing something with it, taking my hook out or whatever, I don't feel like getting my hand all slimy. Also, I clean my hands when I deal with bait with this and other stuff. So that's part of my fishing gears. And then in here, the same casking lead and line, but in a different style. I have also soft plastic lures that I use a lot. Jigtail heads. I have swivels, barrel swivels, just as well as you. Then go down a bit further. I have some soft, squiggly tail, soft plastic.
Yeah.
This is soft plastic squiggly tail that I use,
Okay.
but I use a separate setup for that because I use like I'm still sick, guys. A jig head. So yeah, it feels rubbery, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
So-
Soft.
So fish sees that not nice soft, they like grabbing it. So in here now, I have other soft plastics that I use, different soft plastics, different variation. This is a shrimp bait soft plastic.
Is it the
And
one that like goes like when you
yeah,
tap on it?
I kind of jig it.
Ah,
Yeah, so I have glow in the dark ones for nights,
Okay.
lure fishing for nights, and that's the daytime ones. And then I also have my fish string that I string my fish with when I catch a lot of fish and I'm walking and fishing.
Oh yeah.
I don't have
yeah,
to carry
yeah.
a cooler with me.
Cooler with you. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
so-
That's true. That's true.
Then
And you're made for this.
in here now is my lure collection
It
of all
was made
different
for this.
different types of lures.
Mhm.
Soft plastics too, again with a. This is a Texas jig that prevents weeds from hitching on your hooks, so it
Okay.
just slides over it when you're fishing in weeds and stuff like that. Then I have different kind of top water lures. I have this is what you call. I forgot the damn name of it. And the reason why. This is the top water popper. And this is the top water bait, which I've hit a couple of fish with this already.
Wow.
And these are all top water lures in this box. And then I have
They're
your,
gold.
then your shallow divers. These are my Uzuri collection.
Shallow divers are like mine.
Those are
What
soft plastics. Those are good also. Yeah.
Okay.
So here goes another different color variation of top water. These are very Uzuri sets. Uzuri is a brand, a very good brand. I use a lot of Uzuris if you check all my other videos. Uzuris, they just built to last and they just built very well. Yeah. So, but they're $20 a piece. They're not cheap.
Yeah, but so maybe this is like a baby setup for me then.
This is a starter setup. You can't just jump into pro leagues until you experience certain things first. You have to really, you have to experience. You have to get the experience and get it in, because what's going to happen is that you're going to lose expensive gears
That's true.
and it's not going to be worth your while in fishing anymore. So stay tuned, guys.
Fishing is way longer.
Yeah, I've been fishing since I was 11 years old. I've been fishing since I was a baby. So I'm gonna reset back the line, guys. I had to plug the charger into this camera real quick. Okay, you guys get over here, and if you don't have to keep those in your hand because you won't be able to use those here now.
Oh, okay, okay.
So what you can
Put it
do,
in there?
yeah, and I'm gonna show you the drop line setup.
Okay.
All right, so that's what's up. You see that? That's what's up, shore fishing. I got that on camera already too. So we'll bring these in now, and then go ahead. Then drop one of your seats now, and be careful of your rod. It's very important. The 6,000 reel versus your 3,000 reel. And have to lock the drag so that it's stiff. And once I pick the line up, I'll bring it up, I wind it up, I lift right away and I start winding,
Yeah.
so I don't lose my weight on the reef.
Okay.
So you see it come up on top of the water? I still got bait on there. So the fish are not biting right now.
Yeah.
Then I put the shrimp out. Yeah guys, so hold on, let me get this camera out here. Whoops. Yes. You guys can see what's going on here on the line. So baiting up, getting it together, guys. Chum up the water, bring in the fish, then come in. Head. I head you use. That's why I buy the headed shrimp, because I want the head. I use the head to chum the water where the rest of the body is good. The head is used to chum the water and smell the water up, scent the water up so that fish will come in there. That's what I want. I swear I haven't seen none of them yet. I don't know why. I normally see them in the water. Big fuckers, you know? You don't even understand the size fish I catch here. 10 pounds, 30 pounds, 20 pounds.
Wow.
Out there lure fishing earlier. We walked from here all the way out to the reef and all the way down.
Uh-oh.
This morning.
Because maybe it's rough this side. Very windy.
So you see what I did?
Yeah.
I peeled the shrimp. And I use them peel on there. Okay.
Catch Mara?
And get some small fish. See rough, bad, bro. But I'm looking for the permit.
Wait a minute. Try up some man.
You know.
Spot now.
I know there's a spot, bro, but
You know normally.
I know. I said they come down here, you know.
Yeah, but mostly up there. Yeah.
I should go down there.
Well, let's go.
Cuz! I move.
And the tide good and out too.
Yeah.
You're going here, man.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna move. Did my line just slack up a while ago? Oh, I got fish on, guys. No, he didn't grab it. Couldn't get it off. Yeah, I thought I had fish on a while ago. He didn't grab it, guys. So, yeah, I'm still good on this bait. Let's get back into action. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What you boys saying? You eating? Dinner served? You can see the black stingray in the wave. Look at the black stingray moving. You see it moving? See the stingray? The black stingray? See it?
Okay, wait,
Yeah.
how do you even see that? Oh.
Good eyesight. Something's messing with it. Bastard is playing with me. Come in here, come to him right now. He's just eating my bait off. See the stingray going back that way now? Nah. If he bit this bait, boy, it'd be all hell break loose right here, right now. He's taking off. You want to try a cast? Well, let's see what happens, right? All right, what you're gonna try to do, you're gonna go between these lines. So, just remember the finger. You come like this. When you go forward like this, just remember when you go forward like this, and come forward and over, you're gonna feel that weight. You let go of your finger when it goes forward and it'll go over. All right?
Okay.
All right, so let me bring it back around to you. Right there. And then you go like this, all right? Use the fingertip. You don't want to put your finger completely over that.
Okay.
You want to make sure you hold it tight
Right.
and that when you swing out, you don't hit none of these cars.
Okay.
Come back. Stand up sideways. Look where you cast in. And then you're going to send it over now. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Not bad. It went a different spot, but not bad. It's all right. It's all right. Then you stop that quick.
Yeah.
And you just bring that back in.
Oh, okay.
You understand what I'm saying? It didn't go far, but
Right.
like I said, you did all right.
Okay, that's good.
You did all right, bro. You did all right. You didn't do bad. Just slap that on there
I
now.
think I let go of it too early.
Yes.
Yeah.
So don't worry. The next one, you get the next one. You have to practice your aim
Yeah.
and your release. And that's it. You can try this one now. Now that's an 8-footer, this is a 7-footer. Fish on. Shore fishing. You guys see this? Look at the size hook that I got, guys. And look at the size fish. Little Ras family. Slippery little frigger. And look at his size. And look what I got. And look at those beaks, guys. Let's get it back.
Usually, like, if it's too small, you release it.
Yeah. Watching this one. All right. You want to try this one?
Yeah.
All right. There you go. So now, remember to unlock the bail. Unlock the bail. Bring your finger all the way back to the rail. And then put behind. Remember, turn sideways. Look to where you're casting. And send it out.
Too far.
Alright, what you're doing is you're letting go too soon.
Oh.
You're letting go too soon. And you're going up in the air and dropping down instead of going out. Let me show you what's going on. Understand? So you aim for that direction that you want to cast, and then you release it. It's just practice, man. We'll check this one out. Oh boy. Nakita ratin lik man ako niya alkuwal si Kos. No, one licky so alkuwal. Why go on bad with me alkuwal Kos? I'm right now when I come run out the rig feet. It's the Sure Fishing Signature Series rod bag. So back off.